Hey guys, today's YouTube video is going to be a quick look and see about this wig. This is a full lace wig from my hairline Rea.Dezell, of course. What I will be doing is installing this full lace wig today with basically just tresemme and big sexy hairspray. This is a temporary install, so whenever you go home you can pop this bad baby off and get comfortable. Y'all get into it, okay? Okay, so right here what I'm doing is just tucking in all my little edges. Gotta get those edges. You don't want anything out. I have braided my hair down and now I'm just getting the wig ready, combing it out, get all the little naps, you know. I have two combs, actually three combs. I have two in the front and one in the back. And what I'm gonna do is just put it on, position it to where I want it to be, and I wanted a deep side part, so you see me here doing that deep side part. And this wig has been made and worn before, so that's why it's already molded, and I can quickly put it on.
Oh yeah, make we day together, waiting you they true. Yeah, speak now, or forever hold your peace. Speak now, baby know they do Chinese. Speak now, you know I care about. Yeah. Speak now, or forever hold your peace.
So this is where I started to spray the hairline. You just want to spray enough to where you know it's going to be secure. And again, this is not an install that's going to last you for days upon days. This is very temporary. So you just spray enough, and what I'm doing is just parting little hairs. Don't let it drip in your eye, girl. You just pull down some hairs because you just want it to be secure down in front of your hairline. And then I'm going to clip that hair back, girl, and pull some more hairs down. And then I'm going to spray some more. And what I like about these hairspray is they're really potent, so they get the job done really well. And so don't worry about the hair being stuck to your face whenever it dries. I'm gonna show you what you can do. So yeah, just continue to pull more hair out and spray. Just pull hair, spray. That's all you gotta do. So from here I'm going to just be repeating the same steps, so I'll be back.
Make we day together, waiting you they true. Yeah, speak now, or forever hold your peace. Speak now, baby know they do Chinese. Speak now, you know I care about. Yeah. Speak now.
So that you placed it where you need it to be. Now you are going to wrap that bad baby up, girl. Wrap it up, and then after you wrap it up, you're just going to wait and let it dry. Okay, so now that baby is asleep, we can get back to this wig. What I'm gonna do now is start placing curls in my hair. I'm just waiting for it to warm up. Take these little hairs off my face and take little sections and give myself loose curls. Whenever I give myself loose curls, I like to go in different directions. And I don't like to do it super tight. You don't want Shirley Temple curls, girl. And I like to just go ahead and straighten the ends back out to give me more of a loose curl. Again, go in different directions. And just repeat this all throughout the whole head.
Speak now, or wherever hold your peace, speak now. Baby, know they do Chinese, speak now. You know I care about, I want you, but you want me more, yeah. Mi sọ̀rọ̀, ìwọ ni mo fẹ́ láyé mi o, láyé mi o. Oya bá mi sọ̀rọ̀, ìwọ ni mo fẹ́ láyé mi o, láyé mi o. Baby, I like you, and you like me too. Girl, I go give my heart and soul all for you. 'Cause baby, I like you, and you like me too. Make we day together, waiting you they true. Yeah, speak now, or forever hold your peace. Speak now, baby, know they do Chinese. Speak now, you know I care about. Yeah. Speak now, or forever hold your peace. Speak now, baby, know they do Chinese. Speak now, you know I care about. I want you, but you want me more, yeah. Mi sọ̀rọ̀, ìwọ ni mo fẹ́ láyé mi o, láyé mi o. Oya bá mi sọ̀rọ̀, ìwọ ni mo fẹ́ láyé mi o, láyé mi o. Baby, I like you, and you like me too. Girl, I go give my heart and soul all for you. 'Cause baby, I like you, and you like me too. Make we day together, waiting you they true. Yeah, speak now, or forever hold your peace. Speak now, baby, know they do Chinese. Speak now, you know I care about. Yeah. Speak now, or forever hold your peace. Speak now, baby, know they do Chinese. Speak now, you know I care about. I want you, but you want me more, yeah.
So as you can see, coming to the front, I'm starting to curl all of the hair towards the back because I wanted to give it a really sleek look in the front. I want it to come off of my face and give me a more sexy side eye kind of thing going on. So I'm just gonna be curling to the back. Once you're done curling, you want to go ahead and spray a little bit of hairspray, not too much because you don't want it to be super hard. You still want soft and sexy curls. So then after you spray, you just want to play around and brush it through a little bit and just play around with it. Have fun, girl.
You know I care about. Yeah. Speak now, or wherever hold your peace. Speak now, baby, know they do Chinese. Speak now, you know I care about. I want you.
Yes, girl. So once you've gotten your curls and your hair how you wanted it to be, you just want to take your wrap off and then just comb that hair out, and it shouldn't be super hard to where you can't get it out. Then you know it's just way too hard, or you're gonna have to find another hairspray if it is. And that's just as easy as it is. You just comb it out and just place the hair where you want it to be. And see, I want my hair to be behind my ears, so I just want that look. And then I'm just going to use my iron to kind of just to curl that hair back.
for you. Cause baby, I like you. And you like me too. You like me too. Oh yeah, make we day together. Waiting you they true. Yeah, speak now. Or forever hold your peace. Speak now. Baby, know they do Chinese. Speak now. You know I care about. Yeah. Speak now. Or forever hold your peace. Speak now. Baby, know they do Chinese. Speak now. You know I care about. I want you, but you want me more. Yeah.
So right here you'll see me just pulling my hair back and kind of spraying it down because that part did lift up. A little goes a long way, and I'm just going to use my iron because I just want a bevel at the top. So I'm just going to use my iron to kind of mold that to the back and then comb it out a little bit.
Baby, I like you, and you like me too. Girl, I go give my heart and soul all for you. Cause baby, I like you.
Once you play around with it, get it to where you want it to be, you are now done.
Waiting you they true. Yeah, speak now. Or forever hold your peace. Speak now. Baby, know they do Chinese. Speak now. You know I care about. Yeah. Speak now. Or forever hold your peace.
This is an install that can be done in less than 30 minutes, okay? So for the quick and easy, busy moms on the go, less than 30 minutes can have you looking really good, fly, and getting these babies together and hitting the road, okay? Yes, so get into the look like this. Make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see next time firsthand what I have in store next. Okay? Bye guys. Love you.